to mention the date. It's 30 today. Hello? Exception handling. So we done this. One more separate example. Example 2. This is running topic. Then what is upcoming topic? Upcoming topic is చెప్పండి, multiple linear regression. Maybe we can start today. We'll see. And there is a one assignment I will give. So once I done this example, maybe one third example I will give an assignment. The code is already implemented. You guys need to walk through. Okay? Yeah, we are good to go. Can I take this one? But yesterday, the last example, doing prediction for multiple values, I done in a very hurry way. Can I explain one more time? Sure. The last example, right? What? Java faculty? Okay. I started my teaching, I'll be SCJP, Sun Certified Java Programming, one of the top certification course actually. So that boosts my career. So teaching Java is not a joke. Anyway, Daniel, stop your overaction. Sure, sir. Let's move on. Okay, good. I'm sure, I hope you understand yesterday how to do the prediction for. So if you are giving the area, if you are giving what exactly mean? Area, so which is on, so it's 5,000, 5,500, 3,000, 2,500, like that actually. But think like suddenly we got a bunch of values, group of values actually. 10 values area, 10 area values, 20, 100, 200 actually, yeah. Still we can do the prediction. The same process. What is the process, you know? So the first one will be importing the libraries. The next one, loading the data set. The next one, data preparation. How to prepare the data in such a way that. The next one, splitting the data set is optional. Today I will cover actually. In example number 2, you will come to know splitting data set is seriously super. And after splitting the data set, tell me, madam, model creation, right? So we need to create a model. Model creation means you no need to create your own model. Model in the sense algorithm. Algorithms already available. Your main motto will be import a algorithm. I mean to say that the class, import a class, create an object, call a method. One more time. Import a class, create an object, call a method. That's a fundamental we need to follow. We are importing the class. Class name is so called as a linear regression. And the whole line is a object creation. What is that line? As per our Python discussion, during object creation, something executes. What it is? You should remember what is a constructor, why constructor actually. And here, constructor having no parameters as of now. If constructor having parameters, we need to pass values. Yeah, default constructor actually. So here it is a default constructor. Once you have created a model, we need to train the model. Training model means nothing but, you need to call a method. Method name is a fit. What is a method name? Fit. How can I say it is a method? Because we are calling by using object name which is having parenthesis actually. Yeah, good. And the fit method takes 2 parameters. First one input, next one is what man? Output actually. Hey Daniel, first output I will pass, next input you will pass. You pass actually. You will come to know. So the point is always according to the standard, fit method takes two parameter. First parameter always input, next parameter always what man? Output actual. So please you have to make a note actual. And next one will be once you done the training actually, we can do the prediction. We can do what man? For prediction, you have to pass always only. I mean, here what value you pass actually input value. That value you have to pass here. Listen carefully. X predict method always take X and it gives Y. It gives what man? Please, this point is important actually. So we have to understand this, right? Now, Daniel, I do have a area. I do have what exactly? Area CSV file, right? So if you closely observe this one, I do have a group of areas actually. Please, we already done this yesterday. I do have a group of areas. And can we do prediction for all these values? Yes, you can do the prediction. You can do the prediction actually, right? To do that prediction, what we need to do, So simple, first of all, load that CSV file. Then you got a data frame, single column data frame. What data frame? Single column data frame. Then simple, do one thing. You can pass directly this data frame to what exactly, predict method. Ensure either fit method or predict method. Simple. Algorithm works with array data. Algorithm works with what data? Then kindly please give array actually. To give array, what we need to do, you need to call one attribute. Attribute name is a dot values actually, right? Now you will get all prediction values here. So you may get some exponential value if you're trying to printing that way. I'm not sure either you tried or not, right? Exponential EX value you can get actually. Floating values you will get. The next one will be, so Daniel, so for the existing data frame, can I add all these prediction prices? You can add actually. Left hand side, if you're able to see this kind of syntax means adding a column. We already know this one. And now, so we are downloading the file. Now, please check in what exactly current directory. Please check in what exactly current directory. Can I take this code? Can I run this one? Let me run this. So though it is machine learning, right? Let me introduce one new topic. Chiన్న topic introduce chestan chudandi. Important. Okay. Notepad++, I hope I already covered. Kada? Am I right? Good. So here, what is the data set name search? Real estates.csv. Let me just try to run this code. Yesterday night somebody texted Anil. I hope good. So he raised one small error actually, very good one. Let me tell. Control C. Yeah. So I'm sure once this example done, you will get output like the output file is real estate.csv file. Just try to hold on. Let me release memory. My God. It was easy, very easy, sir. Good. Now here, take one small heading, possible errors, right? So possible errors and solutions. And what exactly means solutions? Manaki errors vache chance untadi. I'm highlighting during exception handling. You should aware exception handling. I'm sorry. I'm highlighting machine learning. Especially errors I'm highlighting. Good. Get ready to understand. Good. Kindly look at this example. So anyway, this I will continue in the next few minutes. Let's open the data set. What is output, Sarji? Chapani? Real estate. Tell me, real estate. You can just have to open this. You can open this actually. Good. And these are all values. For first area, this one is the price tag. Second area, this one is the price tag. Right? Please focus on this one. Let's minimize this. I'm not closing. Minimize this. I'm not closing. Otherwise, you can just try to make it open. Run the code one more time. Run the code one more time. You will get error. What is that error? Permission error. What error? Permission error. You should aware this. Why permission error? I will tell you. First of all, code everything is valid. So the point is, whenever you are running this program, this file is supposed to be create actually. But when that file will be created, imagine you already opened one file actually. You already opened what exactly mean? This file is already existing mode. How can I create a new file with the same name? How can I create a new file with what exactly mean? Same name. According to the Windows operating system, two files name should not be same actual. That's what you will get. What error, Saji? Did you understand? Right. So please, if you are getting permission error, only one symbolic. Output is already generated. It is in open mode actually. Close that file. What exactly mean? Close that file. You can close it. If you want, you can rerun. Now it is valid actually. Now it is what exactly mean? Valid. మీకు అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటున్నా. What is it error name? One more time. Exactly. You got it, I guess. Okay. Now, Daniel, what are the possibility errors? మీకు possibility errors ఏమేమి వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ ఉంటుంది. Look at the code. Code చూడండి ఒకసారి. Imagine if pandas matplotlib scikit-learn is not available. Scikit-learn is not available. What error you may get? Oh, very nice. Module not found error. Solution entry. Check packages. If required, then install. If required, then install. Otherwise, if if the package name something wrong, it is already installed actually. If it is something wrong, you may get a module not found error. I hope you already know that one. Right. Repeating again, what is the first possibility error? Module not found error. Come on, one more time. Good. Next one. Can you guess the next possibility error? ఇక్కడ నుంచి వెళ్దాం చూడండి టాప్ నుంచి. Any next possibility error? Oh, very good. File not found error. File not found error. File not found error. Let me just try to reproduce. అంటే ఎర్రర్ ని చూడాలి అంటే then that is so called as a reproducing the error. Imagine give file name is a wrong. Then now cross verify actually. మీరు ఇప్పుడు cross verify చేయండి. Yeah, good. We are getting file not found error. What error, sir? File not found error. Then what is the solution? Solution ఏంటి చెప్పండి సార్. Check the file. That's it actually. Check the file name. Or it is available in current directory or not. Can you tell me what is the first error? Module not found error. Talk with me. What is the first one? Module not found error. Next one. What is the third one? That's it. What error? Permission error. ఇప్పుడే చెప్పాం కదా మనం. Right? So the first one, file not found error we done. The next one, I'm sorry, module not found error we done. Next one, file not found error we done. The next one, what error, Saji? Permission error. Name error also. What error, Saji? What do you mean by name error? You didn't created something, but you're trying to using actually. But this name error, value error, these are all very common actually. You have to tell it. Yeah, name error. What error, Saji? Name error. Why name error? Here, variable name is a df1, but here what you're using df. Then you will get a name error. What error? This name error, value error, syntax error, Britannia actual. I mean, it is a very small basic one, right? But you have to tell module not found error. The next one, file not found error. Next one, permission error. This is really very good. That's it, Sergey. I need a help from you. Can you tell me 3 errors I covered in a high level way? What is the first one? Module not found error. Next one, file not found error. Next one, of course, would have other errors, but these errors, kindly please focus actually. We done this, then I can move on with the next example. We are good to go. Online team. Good. Let's close everything. Let's even close this. Now let us start the